Astronomy and astrophysics are closely related fields, but they have some differences in their focus and methodologies. Here are the main differences between astronomy and astrophysics. Scope and goals. Astronomy is a broad field that focuses on the observation and study of celestial objects, such as stars, galaxies, planets, and other astronomical phenomena. It involves the collection and analysis of observational data to understand the properties, movements, and interactions of these objects. Astrophysics, on the other hand, is a subfield of physics that uses the principles of physics to explain and understand the behavior, composition, and processes occurring in the universe. Astrophysics aims to uncover the physical laws governing the universe and to develop theoretical models and explanations for observed astronomical phenomena. Methodology. Astronomy primarily involves the collection and analysis of observational data obtained through telescopes and other astronomical instruments. Astronomers study the properties, positions, and motions of celestial objects and phenomena, and often make significant contributions to our understanding of the universe based on observational data. Astrophysics, on the other hand, combines observational data with theoretical models and principles of physics to derive physical explanations for the observed phenomena. Astrophysicists use mathematical and computational techniques to develop models, simulate processes, and test hypotheses to understand the underlying physical mechanisms in the universe. Focus. Astronomy often emphasizes the descriptive and observational aspects of celestial objects and phenomena. Astronomers may study the properties of stars, galaxies, and other celestial bodies, classify objects based on their characteristics, and investigate the evolution and dynamics of the universe. Astrophysics, on the other hand, focuses on the physical processes and principles that govern the behavior of celestial objects. It delves into topics such as stellar physics, cosmology, gravitational dynamics, high-energy astrophysics, and the study of fundamental particles in astrophysical environments. Interdisciplinary nature. Astrophysics has a strong interdisciplinary nature, drawing from various branches of physics, such as classical mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, quantum mechanics, and relativity. It combines these principles with astronomical observations to provide a deeper understanding of the universe. Astronomy, although also interdisciplinary to some extent, may have a broader reach across different scientific disciplines, including physics, chemistry, geology, and biology, depending on the specific focus of study. In practice, the boundaries between astronomy and astrophysics are not always rigidly defined, and many scientists work in both fields. The terms are often used interchangeably, and the distinction between them can vary depending on the context and the individual researcher's interests and background.